Hi, it's Jenna here from sipbitego, and today I'm going to share with you how to make these delicious blueberry and cherry cake bars. They're a little bit chewy and they have so much flavor bursting throughout them because of the fresh berries. I use fresh blueberries and fresh cherries in this recipe, but you can make these dessert bars with any sort of berries you'd like. You just need 1 cup of berries total. So the first step of this recipe is to melt the butter and the sugar together on the stove in a pan in medium-high heat. This will create a nice smooth batter, and then you add in the vanilla extract. It takes just a few moments to combine all of those ingredients in the pan, so then you add them to a large bowl where you're going to mix together the other cake batter ingredients. So first goes the eggs, and then you mix in some flour, baking powder, and salt. You combine that until it's very, very smooth, either using a whisk or using a beater or using your KitchenAid stand mixer, whatever you prefer. I thought these were really easy to make by hand because there's just a few ingredients and it takes just a few moments to combine them. Next goes in the fresh blueberries and the fresh cherries. To pit the cherries, you can use a special tool, but since you're only using half a cup of cherries, if you don't have a special tool, you could also use chopstick to poke through the pit, or a straw, or just do it manually with a knife. Next, you pour the cake batter into a greased pan that's lined with parchment paper. Using the parchment paper and greasing it is going to make sure the edges get nice and golden brown, and it's easy to lift them out of the pan once the cake bars are done cooling. So you bake it at 350, and then when it's done, you let them cool for 15 minutes in the pan, then another 15 minutes out of the pan, and then they're ready to slice. To store these cake bars, you want to keep them in the fridge, and they're really good cold or with some ice cream. Thanks for checking out this recipe video. Make sure to stop by sipbitego.com for more. Have a wonderful day. Cheers!